Hey everyone, hello. I'm so excited to be here. Welcome. If you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. My name is Freddie and I am a Restore partner, and we're going to talk about when's the last time that you had silky, smooth, sexy, spa-like skin every day in a very easy way. So let's get started. Thank you for joining, guys. Go ahead and chit chat. I may not see the comments right away, but I'll respond as I can. So I want to ask you another question, a couple questions. One is, what was the first time, what age were you when you first started using regular skincare or makeup on a regular basis, like on a consistent basis? I would love to know what age you were. And then the other thing is this video for you? Here's how you know if it's for you. Have you had, or do you have, or do you struggle with dull skin, dry skin, flaky, kind of like, not very plump skin, blemishes, sore spots, things like that? If you struggle with any of those things, then this video is for you. So I want to tell you a little story first and why I'm here. We're going to be talking about the Renewal Complex and these two treasures. We have had some people sharing about them. Haven't you loved everything? That's the other thing. If you loved everything, let us know what you've loved. And if you haven't seen everything yet, you have time to see it through Monday. I just was like last night entertaining myself. Okay, back on track. So treasures, we're going to talk about these treasures in the Renewal Complex. And I am not, disclaimer, I am not an expert, but the reason why I get the honor, it is an honor and a joy to share, by the way. And I don't know why I get the honor, but the reason why I'm excited to share is because I do have a story to tell about it and what has increased and just solidified my belief. So not that long ago, approximately 3 months ago, by the grace of God, I was led to Restore. That's a whole nother story. But the reason why I clicked the join button and joined the family was not the product, actually. It was because Jesus is CEO, because the person God had led me to was, I found out to be an amazing sister in the Lord, because of the integrity, because of how professional everything looked. And I thought, there's a company out there with this heart and this integrity. I want to support them. I don't know what the product's going to be. I don't know what the product is, but I mean, I did actually see it on the website, but I don't know if it's going to be any good, but I still want to support them. And then I was like, Lord, what if I don't like the product? And he didn't really say anything. And I was like, well, that's okay. That's no big deal. And honestly, I thought the product could probably be pretty good, but I would have to test it. And I have a background as an esthetician and in wellness and blah, blah. We all have great backgrounds here, but it's rare that there have been a lot of products I'm like, that is a really good product, okay? So what I decided to do was, when I knew I was gonna get these products in my hand, I decided to stop using all skincare. That's kind of hard for me. Stop using all skincare for a month. Now, not 100%. I didn't want to kill my skin. I didn't want to like send it backwards, but I did kind of just maintain it. Then when I got these, super cool, I started using just these. Only the elixir, only the ointment. We're going to talk about them, but that's all I was using for 2.5, 3 weeks. That's it. And I literally was waking up in the middle of the night. Okay, so I'm 57, menopause, I'm doing okay, but I wake up sometimes and, I'm like, I'm going to turn over, or I'm like, oh, and I would touch my face, and I still do. And I'm like, why is my face so soft? How is it so soft? And I'm like, oh, that's right. I'm using something different. Every single day, my face is soft. Every single day, the Renewal Complex is going to work. So what is the Renewal Complex? The Renewal Complex is in both of these products, and we're not going to do a deep dive on all the ingredients, but we are for just a moment, and then we're going to learn how to apply it. on the Renewal complex. It is something developed by a microbiologist. I'm not the expert again, remember this, but I did do a little reading, a little learning to share with you, and a cancer researcher. And it's actually not what I would term, again, non-expert, as an ingredient. It's like a live being. It goes to work in your skin, helping your skin to renew, to regenerate, to restore, to restore and renew your skin. It does work for you. It helps your body work for you, not against you, to help all those areas in your skin. Now I'm getting bright red because I'm hot and I'm a little bit hot flashy, but regardless of that, it has actually calmed my skin. It has gone to work on areas in my skin, and I have plumper, younger looking skin every day. I mean, my husband's like, did you go do something? Did you go to the spa? I'm like, nope, it's all of this, baby. And so now the trick is I want to get him to start using it. All right, so also the Renewal complex. So let me look at my notes here. So I'll stay on focus. Like your skin barrier helps restore and strengthen your skin barrier, strengthen the immunity in your skin, and calm, like a visible calmness. And it's a daily, don't you love this word, resilience for your skin? I love that word. All right, let's talk about applying it a little bit, and I'll hit some other key points, probably remember some other things about it. So this, by the way, look at this bottle. This bottle I have been using for, gosh, 2 months. I think that's about right. And it's 2/3 empty. That is amazing because I've used it night and day and on my arms. So what's cool too is that when you open this bottle, look at that, the top pops up. Did you see that? Back down, pop it up, and it fills the dropper for you. All right. Now, girls, clean skin, okay? Clean your skin. No, do not put it on your skin that you didn't wash the night before, or before you go to bed, you're like, I don't think I'll wash it, I'll put it on top. No. Clean your skin, and any other skincare you're using, use this first. Put it in your hand, let the whole dropper go into your hand, and then just warm it a little bit in between your hands. If you're having a hot flash like me, even better. And also it would be optimal if your skin were just a little damp, and then just press it in to your skin. So the reason why we're pressing it in, we're not wiping it on and wiping it off, and we're pressing it everywhere except you want to keep it away from the occipital bones, right? Your brow bone, underneath your eye. Press it here, press it on your chin. And you guys, I'm not seeing comments, just FYI, sorry. I'm seeing a lot of crazy people are watching, but no comments. Down your décolleté, okay, yes. Let's keep it young down there. And then I'm wiping the rest of my arms. And before I'm going to bed, I'm putting a dropper full for my arms. You can do this night and day. You can do this once a day, but that's it. It is safe to put on your lips. So I always just kiss my hand with it and put it on my lips. And you're gonna love it. Okay. Now, the next step that I do is I go for the ointment. And this ointment has the Renewal complex plus another great ingredients. Get with the person who invited you, get the link, read the ingredients, or ask them for the glow notes, because we have some great glow notes. And it's creamier and maybe I would say more concentrated. I think that's correct. And it's an airless pump. You're just gonna pump out a little bit and use it as a spot treatment. So think everything, flare-ups, breakouts, scars, bug bites, and actually even sunburn for both of these. Okay, you guys? Try to not get a sunburn, but if you're gonna get a sunburn, use it fast. Let's see, cold sore prone areas. Okay, take a little bit. So you're not gonna be able to see this, but I've had this flaky spot right here. It's getting better and better. So right after I put the elixir on, then I just press this in. I have another spot here. Anything else on my face that I feel like needs a little bit more? Yes, do I love to, I want to slather it all over? Yes, absolutely. I press it in here and I just sort of, finish up what's left, kind of press it around. I'm in love. I mean, you know, I'm guessing, hoping, entire body product, I hope. Okay, it's that good. So that's your Renewal Complex. Now, if you have been using it, please share your experiences below. We want to know what's been going good for you. And if you haven't used it, grab it, girls, when you can, and then share your experiences. It's lovely. I cannot tell you it does things, but I can tell you for me, you know, if that was the only reason, God, I know it's not, because I've had such a healing experience, mind, body, and soul here. But if this was the only reason God brought me here, I mean, I would be like, yes, thank you. I am like, yes, thank you, Lord. All right, guys, I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Blessings. Enjoy the rest of the videos tonight. There's some great ones coming. I get them all mixed up, but there's also a question one at the end if you have questions. You have until Monday to get in your entries, all your comments. Thank you for joining, whoever invited you here. We love you, and we're having such a great time with you. Thank you.